Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's take a look at the euro currency again. So you can see that market yesterday has continued the move down, and that was some data on the US economy, on the gross domestic product that was released for about 2.5% growth instead of the 1.7 that was expected by the economist. That was this data has added some fuel to the dollar strength, and you can see market now continue move to the downside. Well, as market has hit the minor target of the downward action, it was right here. That was also the weekly pivot support one from this stop grabber pattern that we have here recently. Now it is on the way to the next bit extended target. It's right here. It's low around 132 even area, and that is the target of that stop grabber that we have previously on the previous week. Also, guys, for those of you who trade the butterflies on the tops, yesterday we have discussed that also this pattern could be the butterfly. An extension of this swing to the upside stand right here. So 127 around 130, 130. Also, you could see this is daily oversold and confluence support on the daily time frame 131.70, 131.85 area. So that will be really a significant support area, and probably if market won't take it out of these lows, as it should follow by this stop grabber pattern. Here also I suggest that here is also some stop hidden right below these lows, and probably market easily could reach this support cluster. So although our minimum target right now is right here, it's 132 even, we can't exclude the moment that market, by hitting the stops right below it, could easily fly right to this area. That is what to expect on the daily time frame. On the lower time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we have the bearish context. The trend is bearish as on the daily time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, and on the 4-hour time frame we also have the completion of smaller butterfly that we have discussed yesterday as well. That is the 1618 butterfly, and market now has hit the target. Yesterday we said that market definitely should hit 1618 because right at 127 it has appeared by this strong candle, and usually when the market shows the strong candle right to the butterfly target, it leads to the next target with a high probability, and that has happened. So you can see now market has hit 1618, and in fact since butterfly is reversal pattern, it's very often leads to some retracement, not usually not necessary to the reversal, but even to the minor retracement, the 3-8 retracement of the butterfly swing, this will be sufficient to treat this butterfly's work properly. Well, that's why we should be focused on the potential retracement, and besides this could allow us to take the short position. So this retracement could happen, as you can see probably by yourself, by some Jordan-Napoli pattern. If this will be the bread and butter sell, then probably we should be watch for 130 to 87 area. That is the 3-8 resistance of this swing down. And if market will hit it after the first penetration of the 3x3 moving average, that could be the Jordan-Napoli bread and butter sell. That could be suitable for short entry with the target either around this level or even around 131.35 areas right here. If this will be the double ripple sell, so market could show the double ripple as well. In this case, I can't exclude that market will retest these lows, the previously broken lows. It's right here. That was the minor target of the stop grabber pattern. This stop grabber pattern. Well, also take a look. That will be the 50% resistance. So euro currency very likes to show the 50% retracements. It's major level for euro currency. It's just some kind of the breadth of the market, so the 50% levels are very common on the euro currency. So in this case, the strategy is the same, just the level could be a bit different. So since the double repo pattern is a bit stronger reversal pattern and has the tendency to reach usually the 50% levels at minimum. Well, that's in fact all that we could expect on the euro currency. Well, guys, probably maybe we will not see this retracement during today's trading session because today is Friday already. On Monday, that will be the Labor Day on the United States, so market also could be thin. Maybe that will be some additional assistance for the retracement, the thin market. Well, we'll see. But that's the major idea and major scenario that we should be watching for the nearest time, since now the United States dollar has some appreciation from the two factors. First is the nice data on the gross domestic product that shows the probably United States economy is improving gradually. Second is still the geopolitical risks that currently becomes a bit easier, but still they exist, and that also adds some favor to the strength of the US dollar. That's why in general, in the short-term perspective, probably a market should at least reach the levels that we have just specified on the daily time frame. That's why I suppose that scenario has nice chances to work. Let's see for the retracement, and let's see what will happen around 133 area, what signals market will form, whether we will get this retracement or not. In general, the situation on the euro currency is not very sophisticated to track, and I hope that we will get our chances for trading here.